Next exercise, we're going to use weights or water bottles, working the biceps, which is the inside of the upper arm. Holding the dumbbells hanging down by your sides, relax those shoulders back, sit nice and upright, feet flat on the floor, and breathe in. As you breathe out, you're going to bring one up towards your shoulder and back down, keeping that elbow slightly soft. Now you can do both together if you feel in control, but if you prefer, do one at a time. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see I keep my elbow in tight. All the movement comes from the elbow, not the shoulder. I'm aiming that dumbbell to come up towards the shoulder. So either alternate or do both together. I've got a 1 kilo, which is just over 2 pounds. Pick a weight that you know you can do all of these comfortably with. So generally I would use a much heavier weight for this exercise. Certainly compared with some of the other exercises we do, triceps and biceps even tend to be a bit stronger than some of the others, just because we tend to lift things and use those muscles a little more often. Things like lifting your shopping into the car, for me lifting my sewing machine up and down the stairs. So you might find next time you actually want to use a slightly heavier weight for this exercise. We want to be doing about 10, and just as we hit the 10, we're finding it's a little bit hard work. Okay, and rest. Make sure you put those dumbbells down safely, somewhere where you're not going to trip over them. Well done. So if those muscles are feeling a little bit tight, really nice stretch you can do is against a wall, or you can just open out the arms and just pull back. Just take the palms backwards and stretch and feel that stretch across the chest. Watch you're not pushing that chest forward. Keep the rib cage still. If you want to really extend that and you're okay to stand up, put your hand against the wall and then turn away from that. I don't know whether you can see that very easily, but that really stretches through that muscle. And then you come to the other side, putting the hand and pulling away. And relax, or from there, and relax, just shake it out.